Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Tigi Bedhead Superstar Queen for a Day Thickening Spray, and it is 10.2 ounces or 289 grams or 300 milliliters if that's what you're looking for. So very thorough. So a little bit about this product. It's a thickening spray. It's palm kernel glycerides that help create volume and texture so your hair feels thicker, fuller, and voluminous. It conditions hair so it feels smooth and soft. It provides long-lasting hold so that styles don't drop out. The hold is light, the thickening is maximum, and the finish is natural. So basically this is for volume and body. To feel like a queen, look like a superstar, you get volume and body that lifts and that just won't quit. The amazing thickening spray helps create volume and texture that lasts. Spray on the roots, add lift to mid-lengths or the ends for texture. Usually with this, I use at my roots and I blow dry the opposite direction of the hair, the direction of the hair, so that I get high volume. I love high volume. The bigger the hair, the closer to God's the way I look at it. I absolutely love volume. So this is a really great product for people who love volume in their hair. So actually it's good for any type of hair, from fine hair to hair that is any length, that has any sort of body in it. It really doesn't matter. This is a product that can be used by all hair types, which is really great. I have kind of wavy, heavy, not heavy hair, but thick hair, and I use it to blow out. Some people actually will use this to put it onto the roots and mid-length and edges and ends of their hair, and then blow dry, finger dry, so it kind of gives you a wavy, beachy, textured look. So yeah, basically the directions are pretty easy. You spray it on damp hair and blow dry to get massive volume. So that's, right there, massive volume. Sold. Love it. The ingredients are too complicated to get into, and the fragrance is a berry medley. So that's what it smells like. It smells really nice. And a little bit about Bedhead by Tigi. They've been around for a little while. I've been using them, I think, since it seems like high school or college. They've got a full range of hair performance shampoos, conditioners, styling treatments, all of your hair needs, whether you're looking for repair, electrifying your color, or looking to pump up volume. So they say that they're true owners of style, creative style anarchy. It's your hair your way. My grandma, if she heard of a company called Bedhead and saw the types of messy hairstyles there were, she would just roll over in her grave. My grandma had very neat hair. She always had it up in a bouffant do that she would get done once a week. I'm a little bit more loose and messy with my hair. I like things to look, I like volume. I love volume. I love curls. I think it's really beautiful. And like I have a fake hair piece that I'll slip in there every once in a while, which I'm always worried someone's going to catch me. What are they going to do? Give me a ticket for having some fake hair in my hair? No. It's unrealistic. But the Superstar I really like for volume. Like I said, I spray at the roots and then first I towel dry my hair because my hair's a little thick, and then put on my other stuff that I usually use, like It's a 10 after conditioner and some hair crack, and then I will use the Superstar to get the volume that I want at the roots and at the mid-length of my hair, because I just think it's fun. It's kind of an older style, but it's really fun to have a lot of volume in your hair. For a long time it was actually, like nobody wanted any volume in your hair. You wanted it as straight and flat as possible, but that's changed. I think that style is really whatever you want to do with your hair, your clothing. It's kind of like whatever you want to do now. There's no one particular way to go. So I really highly recommend this Bedhead by Tigi Superstar Queen for a Day Thickening Spray. It has a great smell. And where is it made? I don't know. Let's see. It's made in London. So, and they've got it pretty much in every language about how to use this. So don't take my word for it. Like I always say, try it yourself. I think you will really enjoy this product. And thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.